like a Medusa, but instead of snakes, her hair is like a Venus flytrap. It's a bunch of Venus flytraps.
Is it because you're a man-eater?
Yeah.
Okay, so she also had a tattoo already in there, so we wanted to turn into a mandala, so that's me trying to draw the design. Honey, you got boyfriend? Please don't cancel me. It's a joke! Okay, from 1 to 10, how much does that shit hurt?
10.
Guys,
9.5.
we've slathered numbing cream and it still doesn't fucking work, but whatever. Yeah.